Hey, it's Dave Altavilla for Hot Hardware here with Dell's pre-CES showcase. I've got Eddie from Dell and Alienware here, and he's got some pretty exciting new toys, I think, for us. How you doing, Eddie? Good to see you.
I'm doing great. So good to be back. So good to be back in New York and meeting with you guys. We're really excited about this press tour and everything we're going to be announcing and bringing to market. So just right here, we've got the brand new Alienware X14. This is going to be the thinnest laptop Alienware has ever made, and we're incredibly excited about that because we achieved this thinness while also delivering an incredible amount of performance. So the X14 is going to include the latest 12th generation Intel Core processors, along with NVIDIA graphics, all the way to a 3060. Now, we're able to achieve this thinness thanks to some really brilliant new inventions. And by that I mean this incredible new hinge. So we have this new hinge design that uses these dual torque elements. It allows us to move the hinge across a horizontal axis, and that is a patent pending dual torque element hinge design, which only exists in our notebook. And thanks to that, we're able to achieve 0.57 inches of Z peak height. We're also able to achieve all the wattage and all the power that our gamers expect out of an Alienware laptop. That 3060 will enjoy up to 60 watts of dedicated graphics power, and with dynamic boost, we'll be able to take that all the way to 85 watts, which is absolutely awesome. Now, oftentimes, companies like to use the words innovation. You know, they throw that around. It's kind of cliche. You know, we prove it out with designs like that hinge that we mentioned before. People also like to throw out on the go all the time, right? They say, oh, this is the on the go gaming laptop, but the X14 is exceptional in that we've moved from the barrel AC power adapter to a Type-C way of charging. So even if you forget your adapter at home, you'll be able to charge the system with your off-the-shelf Type-C charger. We've even included the largest battery we've ever seen on a 14-inch notebook. This is an 80.5 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. So when we talk about on the go, we mean it. We've made an incredibly thin notebook. It's incredibly powerful, and it's going to give you amazing battery life with that huge battery.
All right, so that's the Alienware X14. Let's spin it around real quick.
Yeah, for sure. So right now it's actually asleep, but we can wake it up really quick. Yep.
And on board, powered by Intel 12th Gen Core technology?
That's right.
Okay.
That's right. Those are H-class processors. And we're actually also accompanying them with DDR5 memory as well.
Nice. And you said GeForce RTX 3060 on board.
That's right. That's right. 3050, 3050 Ti, and 3060 options.
Nice. And as you can see, wafer thin, and the Alienware Legend design signature?
That's right. This is Legend 2.0 design.
Got it.
Yep.
And it looks like you've got a new high-end big boy here as well, huh?
We definitely do. This is the new Alienware M17, and it is the world's most powerful 17-inch AMD Advantage laptop. That's right. We're going to be featuring the latest AMD Ryzen 6000 series processors, along with AMD's Radeon RX 6000 series graphics. And on top of that, we're also going to be featuring new AMD Smart technologies. This will be the first notebook featuring AMD Smart Access graphics, so you can seamlessly switch between the DGPU and the iGPU. It's also going to be carrying the new AMD Smart Shift Max technology, so if you need more power center graphics, we're going to be able to deliver up to 175 watts of graphics to the top-end Radeon graphics option. If that wasn't enough AMD for you, all the displays on this system are going to feature AMD FreeSync Premium technology. So you're going to have the best software, the best display, the best CPU, and the best GPU if you're on Team Red. So all in all, it's going to be an incredibly powerful notebook. It's going to have the latest technologies from AMD. And I think we've covered an incredible spectrum when it comes to comparing systems. As far as the X14 to the M17, we have an amazing portfolio of laptops for any kind of gamer. So come check us out and follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, check us out on Alienware Arena as well.
All the socials. So let's flip this guy around one more
Sure.
time and open him up.
Yep. Hopefully.
There you go. Just to get a look at it. The Alienware 17, the X17 or the 17?
M17.
M17. Got it.
M17.
Got it. An all AMD affair. And can you talk to this strange looking fellow over here? All right, and we're going to finish up strong with Umar here from Alienware, and he's got something kind of funky and special looking here.
Yeah, so we have this concept right here. This is concept Polaris. So as you can tell by its look, it's another kind of solution that is utilizing the Legend 2.0 design from Alienware. This is a concept that we wanted to use to reimagine what the Alienware graphics amplifier released in 2014 would look like with modern technology and our modern Alienware design. As you can see, it has that kind of curvature that you can find in Legend 2.0, the lunar white finish. But you'll notice that this is in a vertical orientation. This can also be placed horizontally. We want to be mindful of the space that users have now that a lot of people have gone to a work from home situation. We're battling for real estate on the desk for users, so we want to be mindful of that. So users are able to use this horizontally, vertically. As you look inside the device itself, we took the PSU out. And the PSU is taken out to be external, so you can power this with two 330 watt AC adapters or two 425 watt AC adapters to get 850 watts of graphics power. In here we have a liquid cooled 3090 graphics card. This has a 240 millimeter liquid cooled solution, utilizing the Cryotech technology that you find across our Alienware notebooks and desktops, including the Element 31 liquid gallium thermal interface that we use. This card also is a 16-inch card. We are looking at the average of liquid cooled cards that are off the shelf, so you can take an off the shelf solution that's around 16 inches and fit it within this device and be able to connect it with our Cryotech liquid cooling solution.
Nice. And that is concept what again?
Concept Polaris. It is not going to be sold or productized, but it is an amalgamation of multiple features and ideas and technologies that we're looking to incubate further. And I have about 4 variations of this one. This is the one that we shared with you here at CES.
So can folks get back in touch with you and maybe give you some feedback on this? Is that what you're looking for?
If people still remember my Discord handle, I used to be our Alienware community lead. You can still follow me on that handle. I'll be hidden there, but you'll be able to find me at AWUmar on Discord and be able to give me candid feedback with our very active two-way communications through our community engagement team.
Pretty cool looking GPU breakout box from the folks at Alienware. Thanks, Umar.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.